Hi, welcome back to this lecture. I'm so happy to see you again after the previous lecture. In the previous lecture, we saw about the various components and about the LED bulbs. So in this tutorial, we'll see how to assemble an MCPCB based LED bulb. So you know the various components. First, we'll start with the base material. We'll take the base and we'll take the housing. Just keep the base housing here. So once we do it, you just have the punching machine, you have to lock this. Else, there's no grip between the base and the housing. Now, you just take the base and the housing. I'll just go in my punching machine. I'll place this base material here. Here. And once I place it, I do this just to give a punch. So that's it. I just have to. So once I do the punch, you can see the grip that's established and the base material cannot be removed from the housing. So once this is done, the second part that I should do is I'll take the heat sink. I'll just insert the heat sink here. So sir, this is not a suitable heat sink. Maybe I'll take this. I'll take this. I'll take the heat sink. Just insert the heat sink here. And once the heat sink is fixed, I need to with the help of this material. So I'll just fix this here. And ensure that I just with the help of picker machine give thumb. So once I do it, that heat sink doesn't come from the housing outside. This is done actually. Now the base material is already is ready. Now the next job is to place an MCPCB based LED bulb in below the heat sink. So the best advice is before we place this material, we will apply the heat sink paste which is suitable for to use lifetime LED bulb. So here I have an heat sink component, which is the heat sink paste. I'll just open. Take a small quantity of paste, just apply here. Just take a small heat sink paste and apply here. Then I just take this bulb, LED bulb, and here the heat sink paste you can find two holes. Now I use a screwdriver and just screw it off. So just taking a screw and just pressing it. There are two slots where the screw should be fixed. So take the screw and the help of screwdriver. So just fix the screw, use the screw and fix the LED bulb with the heatsink so that it's not removed. The grip is fine now. The final step is now now you have two terminals here from the B22 base, the positive and negative terminal, and the PCB you can find here two terminals. So now you can find neutral and VR and line. So now you are supposed to just solder the neutral and the line. So for your convenience, I'll just show it here. So you can see here, this is another PCB, LED based SMD based PCB bulb. So you could see two things. One is L, that is the line, and then is neutral. So the positive and negative terminal should be placed in this line terminal and the neutral terminal. So you can solve it now. That's it. I soldered one wire. We solder the next. That's it. Both the wires are soldered with an LED bulb. Now we have an additional common called an electronic device. It helps to increase stability. So here this should be given in the line, and there's something called VR, these two terminals. So I'll do the soldering also. So good. My MCPCB bulb is almost ready. The housing is gripped with the between the cap. The soldering is done in the MCPCB based LED bulb with the two terminals, and I'm ready to finish my product. Now I use my diffuser and just close it off. Yeah, you can see my bulb is ready. This is an MCPCB LED bulb. Hi friends, so let's see how the bulb is glowing. So I have just a holder here. I'm just using it. Here I am at junction box. Here I have a junction box. I'm just pressing it here. So just off it. Just place it here and just on it. And MCPCB bulb is ready. Hope you understood the tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please do comment, and I'm so glad that I could answer you and solve your issues if you have any clarifications. Thank you.